are going to love the 2024 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual rear wheels, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, power steering, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.